In this video, let's solve for a together. Now from here, solution, we have a to the power of 3 plus a equals 10. A to the power of 3 plus a equals, we can have 2 plus a to give us 10. We have a to the power of 3 plus a equals 2. 8, we can have it as 2 to the power of 3. So from here, one can decide that a equals 2, but we don't do such because we are expected to have 3 possible solutions because of the degree of a. Now let's regroup this by taking this to this side and take this side. A to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 plus a minus 2 equals 0. Now let us record that when we have x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 equals, open parenthesis, x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So applying it here, we are going to have a minus 2 times a squared plus 2a plus 2 squared, then plus this a minus 2, everything equals 0. A minus 2 is common, we can factor it out. So here will be a minus 2. The whole of this term from here to this end divided by this, we're going to have only a squared plus 2a plus 4. Then plus this divided by this will be 1. Still equals 0. We have a minus 2 times this a squared plus 2a plus 5 equals 0. Now we have to apply 0 product rule. We have is either we have a minus 2 in parentheses equals 0 for this expression to be equal 0, or we have a squared plus 2a plus 5 equals to 0. And let's call this case 1. Let's call this case 2. So from here, from case 1, we're going to have a minus 2 equals 0. We have a plus 2 minus 2 equals 0 plus 2. So we have a, let's cancel out this, equals 2. The first solution, let's solve this using quadratic approach. So what we're going to have will be, from here, our b is minus b minus 2 positive or negative root of b squared 2 squared 4 times a times c is 5 over 2. So we have a minus 2 positive or negative 4 minus 4 into 5 over 2. 4 is common, we can factor it out to be a equals minus 2 positive or negative root 4 into 1 minus 5 over 2. Now we have this that we have here to be a equals minus 2 positive or negative 4 into minus 4 over 2. Then we have a minus 2 positive or negative root of 16 times minus 1 over 2. So we have a minus 2 positive or negative. This will be root of 16 times root of minus 1 over 2. We have a minus 2 positive or negative 4 multiplied by I over 2. So we have a minus 2 over 2 positive or negative 4I over 2. So our a minus 1 positive or negative 2I. Then we also have a to be equals 2. This complex solution this solution.